tricks for affordable elegance. Are you dreaming of living a luxury lifestyle without draining your wallet? With a few smart strategies, you can enjoy the finer things in life while sticking to a budget. This guide will show you how to achieve a chic, upscale lifestyle without overspending. Dash 1. Shop smart, find luxury for less. One of the secrets to living luxuriously on a budget is shopping strategically. Look for seasonal sales. Luxury brands often offer discounts during end-of-season sales. Outlet stores. Designer outlets carry high-end products at reduced prices. Second-hand finds, platforms like The RealReal or Poshmark provide pre-loved luxury items for a fraction of the cost. Pro tip: sign up for newsletters from your favorite brands to stay informed about upcoming deals. 2. Master the art of minimalism. Luxury isn't about owning everything, it's about owning the right things. Adopt a minimalist mindset. Invest in timeless, versatile pieces. Prioritize quality over quantity. Declutter your space to create a clean, sophisticated look. Minimalism not only saves money, but also elevates your lifestyle. 3. Elevate your home on a budget. Create a luxurious home environment without spending a fortune. DIY decor. Add a personal touch with handmade decor. Affordable upgrades. Swap out old hardware for modern fixtures or use peel and stick wallpaper for a fresh look. Thrift shopping. Discover unique, high-end furniture at thrift stores or estate sales. Pro tip: focus on lighting. Soft, warm lighting can instantly make any room feel more luxurious. Dine like royalty at home. Eating out at fancy restaurants can be expensive. Instead, recreate the experience at home. Learn to cook gourmet meals with simple, fresh ingredients. Use elegant tableware to elevate your dining experience. Pair your meals with affordable yet quality wines. You'll save money and still enjoy indulgent meals. Nash 5. Travel in style without overspending. Luxury travel is attainable on a budget with these hacks. Use travel reward points and credit card perks. Book flights and hotels during off-peak seasons. Stay in boutique hotels or high-end Airbnbs for a unique experience. Pro tip: research hidden gems instead of popular tourist spots for a more exclusive feel. 6. Build a high-end wardrobe for less. A luxury wardrobe doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. Invest in classic staples like a tailored blazer or a little black dress. Look for designer items on sale or at consignment stores. Mix high-end pieces with affordable basics to create polished outfits. 7. Embrace self-care and wellness. A luxurious lifestyle includes feeling your best. Practice affordable self-care. Create a spa-like experience at home with DIY face masks and aromatherapy. Stay fit with free online workout classes. Meditate to enhance your mental well-being. Pro tip: treat yourself occasionally to professional services like massages or facials during promotional periods. Conclusion: living a luxury lifestyle on a budget is about making smart choices, prioritizing quality, and embracing creativity. By following these tips, you can enjoy the elegance and comfort of a high-end lifestyle without breaking the bank. Ready to elevate your life?